Can you really start Forex trading with just $100? It's the question every new hustler asks. The short answer is yes. But the long answer? That's where most traders fail before they even place their first trade. Welcome back to Solvanta Media. Today we're breaking down exactly how to turn that $100 into a trading foundation. We're going to cover account types, leverage, and the risk strategies that the top 5% of traders use. First, you need to understand account types. With $100, you aren't trading standard lots. You need a micro account. A micro lot is 1,000 units of currency. This allows you to trade with cents rather than dollars per pip. Then there's leverage. It's what makes Forex attractive, but it's also what wipes out small accounts in seconds. Leverage allows you to control a large position with a small amount of money, but it multiplies your losses just as fast. Choosing the right broker is critical. You need one that offers high leverage but also low spreads on micro lots. Make sure they are regulated and have a solid reputation in the community. Your capital safety is priority number one. Now, let's talk about the golden rule of small account trading: risk management. If you ignore this, your $100 is already gone. Never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade. For a $100 account, that means your stop loss is $1. That might sound small, but it gives you 100 chances to be wrong. Trading is a game of statistics, not gambling. You can lose 3 times in a row and still be in the game. That's the power of the 1% rule. Most traders get bored. They want to turn $100 into $10,000 overnight. That's how you blow your account in 10 minutes. Slow and steady wins the race in the Forex market. If you can't manage $100, you'll never manage $100,000. The goal isn't huge wins. It's consistent, small wins that compound over time. That's how real wealth is built. 5% a month on a $100 account might not seem like much, but it's a massive professional return. Keep your strategy simple. When you're starting small, price action is your best friend. Look for high probability setups. Focus on major levels of support and resistance. These are where the big players enter, and you want to follow them. Don't trade every pair. Pick one or two, like EUR USD or GBP USD, and master their movements. Focus is key. Less is more. A single, well-executed trade is worth more than 10 sloppy ones. Quality over quantity, always. And stay away from high-impact news until you have more capital. The volatility can trigger your stop loss instantly. News trading is for the pros with large margins. For a $100 account, a single news spike is a death sentence. Trading is 20% strategy and 80% psychology. Your $100 account is a test of your emotional control. Master your emotions before you try to master the markets. A disciplined mind is a trader's greatest asset. If you can grow $100 to $200 using proper risk, you can grow $10,000 to $20,000. The skills are exactly the same. Think long term. You're not just trading for today, you're building a skill set that can provide for you for life. Use your small account as a paid education. It's better to lose $100 learning the hard lessons than $10,000 later. Every loss is a lesson and every win is a confirmation. Never stop being a student of the market. Don't skip the demo phase, but don't stay there too long. Real emotions only come when real money is on the line. The psychological shift from fake money to real money is where most traders find their true weaknesses. Keep a trading journal. Record why you entered, how you felt, and what the result was. Your journal is your best mentor. Data doesn't lie. Your journal will show you your mistakes before your bank account does. Review it weekly. Know your trading hours. Trade when the market has the most liquidity. For most, that's the London and New York overlap. Liquidity means better execution and tighter spreads. Don't trade during the dead zones when the market is flat. Celebrate the small wins. A $2 profit on a $100 account is a 2% gain. That's huge in the professional world. It's about the habit of winning, not the amount. Build the winning habit today, and the dollars will follow. Professionals look at percentages, amateurs look at dollar amounts. Start thinking like a pro today, even with $100. Treat your trading like a business, not a hobby. A business has rules, a plan, and a dedicated workspace. You don't need 5 monitors and a supercomputer. A simple, clean setup and a focused mind are all you need. Speed and reliability are what matter. A stable connection and a quiet place to focus are your secret weapons. Ignore the Lambos and mansions ads. Real trading is boring. It's waiting for the right setup and following your plan. The best traders are the most patient ones. They don't chase the market, they let the market come to them. Write your plan down. If it's not written, it's just a wish. Your plan should include your entry and exit. Know exactly what you'll do before the market opens. A plan removes the emotional weight of every decision. Watch out for revenge trading. If you lose $1, don't try to win it back immediately. Step away and reset. Emotional trades are losing trades. If you're feeling stressed, close the charts and come back when you're calm. Find a community. Trading can be lonely, but you don't have to do it alone. Learn from those who have built their capital. Join the Solvanta family. We're a community of hustlers dedicated to financial mastery and consistent growth. Hit that subscribe button and join us. Let's grow together, one trade at a time. I'll see you in the next video. Solvanta Media. Hustle harder. See you next time.